Hey everyone, welcome back to ByAmbition. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache and cookies in the Brave browser. Clearing cache and cookies can fix loading issues, free up space, and improve privacy. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Brave browser on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the three lines in the top right corner, then click Delete Browsing Data. Step 3, a pop-up called Delete Browsing Data will show up. We're going to stick with the basic tab for this video. Step 4, select the time range you want by clicking here. You have last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. For the sake of this video, we're going to stick with all time. Step 5, make sure cookies and other site data and cache images and files are checked. Step 6, click Delete Data to remove your cache and cookies. And that's how you clear cache and cookies in the Brave browser. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to ByAmbition, and I'll see you in the next one.